Hi, my name is Alex Knoll from Barossa Foods, and today I'll be showing you how to prepare our multi-award winning ham on bone for Christmas. So, here is our ham on bone, and what we need to do first is remove the skin and then score it. So, we get a sharp knife and make sure you aren't cutting into yourself, and we just cut around the knuckle, and then if you need to move the hand, lift it up and then cut. Once we've done that, with your fingers we just peel the bit of the skin away from the fat without removing any of the fat, and then just slide your hand underneath and just pull it back. Once the skin is all off, what we'll do is we'll get our knife, we will mark the skin down to the meat, but no further. You don't want to be cutting into the juiciness. And there we go. We've got the skin off our ham, we've got the diamond scoring, and it's ready for the glaze.